Greetings everyone and welcome. This is Neo and you are watching FinTech. If you enjoy our content, please do not forget to leave a like. You can subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be informed about our later videos. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. Before we start our video, let's hear our legal disclaimer. None of the information given in this video should be taken as financial advice. Please, make your investments according to your own research. As the popularity of cryptocurrencies increases rapidly, no matter how experienced they are, investors can have a hard time choosing which project to invest. While there are more than 7,000 projects on the market, there is a good chance that you can be scammed if you do not know what to do. Crypto scams have been a big problem after the rise of cryptocurrency world, but Launchpads came as saviors. A Launchpad basically detects and filters promising and transformative projects that can be good for investments. Also, they provide early access to some of them, which is a good way to multiply your cash quickly. So, crypto Launchpads are secure connections between startups and investors. They provide good opportunities for investors while giving early funds to the young projects. They also have fairly reasonable prices for the newcomers of the cryptocurrency world. But how do they exactly work? A Launchpad is most likely to be started up by people who know their crypto. Most Launchpads today are introduced by popular and trustworthy websites. So, these people look at these young projects in detail and filter them through so that you don't have to. There is a big chance that a token or a Launchpad will increase in value. But we cannot say that there is zero risk, but the risk is reduced dramatically if you're investing in a token on a Launchpad. Because not only this token will be regarded as trustworthy by experts, but also because they are exposed themselves in a Launchpad, their popularity will grow rapidly, resulting in an increase in their value. So let's take a look at a Launchpad project that exists on Cardano blockchain. It is a really popular project and it's called AstroSwap. On their website, you can see that swapping and staking option is already live, and lottery option will arrive soon. Let's check their staking option by clicking the stake button. They currently have 3 staking options and they are working with A-Day iPad as partners. They are powered by WagyuSwap and incubated by BlueZilla. These 3 options are A-Day A to Astro, A-Day A to Velas, and A-Day A to Binance USD. When we go back to their homepage, we can see their roadmap. It extends from the 4th quarter of 2021 to the 2nd quarter of 2022. So let's take a closer look, shall we? The first phase of their roadmap will start with meeting the interstellar crew, and it will continue with DEX launch, staking, and farming. The second part of their roadmap will be Cosmic Lottery, mobile app releases, New Frontiers tokens, NFT drop. And the last part of their roadmap will be cross-galactic trading, prediction markets beta release, and discovering new life forms. If you want more technical details about the project, Launchpad, and their roadmap, you can check their white paper, linked on their homepage. Now we can take a look at their tokenomics. Their total supply is 10 billion, and their initial circulating supply is 120 million. They also have very active Twitter and Telegram accounts. On Twitter, they have 120,000 followers, and you can check the latest news and upcoming releases on their Twitter page. For example, we can see they have a pinned post on top of their Twitter page, which is AstroSwap, DEX is now live, and they also added links if you want to reach them quickly. On Telegram, they nearly reached 70,000 members. Via Telegram, you can connect with others who are interested in AstroSwap. Let's take a look at another very popular Launchpad project, which is the Binance Launchpad. Their current locked funds is well above 2 billion, and they launched 61 projects so far. Currently, they have staking options with A and C, and it will be closed in 21 days. When you scroll down, you can find their finished projects and upcoming releases. And if you want further information about the Launchpad, you can find it also. So, in today's video, we talked about crypto Launchpads. They can be great starters for newcomers, and they can also be promising and transformative projects for everyone. Thank you for watching FinTech. Until next time.